Hi, good evening, it's Gene from maverickstar Observatory. Last night, in the video I put up on YouTube, I told you I was going to be uploading Perth's Australia's data, and I did put that up for you guys, as I said I would, and there it is. And you will notice that there are a couple of anomalies where it jumps, and I thought, well, maybe it might have been knocked a little bit, but I don't think that is the case. I really think something is going on which is causing the intensity to change rapid over there. I suppose the only way to find out for sure is if we keep seeing this anomaly, then I think the next best thing is to send another magnetometer out there, have them running side by side, to see if both magnetometers are affected at the same time. We're not seeing that when we compare Perth, Australia, with the Gold Coast, which is on the other end of the country. So it's just baffling as to why we're picking up this. And the other thing is as well is the shift in the data. I mean, for this month's, as you can see, it's nearly 20 microteslas, so it's quite a lot. I mean, that's like getting on almost half of the intensity in the highest region on the planet. So it's strange, but it's not always that much of a shift. It's not always 20 microteslas. If we just go back, you can see it was the case here for this month. It went from 60 or let's just say they're microteslas. We've already covered the fact that the bar on the left hand column is just for reference only, so that we can see if it's shifting, increasing or declining. But you can see it drops from 60 to 40 the month before last, and then this month's we see it go from 40 to 60, and then it carries on for nearly the whole month, and then just at the end there it spikes again, nearly 15 microteslas. So I don't know what's going on here, but it's not the first time that we've had these jumps. Again, here you can see almost a 4 microtesla shift in the data. If we go before this, it jumps from almost 55 to 60. So it's always bobbing up and down. Some months we don't get the anomaly, but there has been more than a few months where we have had the anomaly take place. And right from almost the very beginning, when we sent out the magnetometer on the 14th of the 9th 2019, we can see that big shift of 5 microteslas. So it changes. There are big shifts happening, and the amounts of the shift fluctuates, but we are definitely seeing something which I think warrants further investigation. Maybe there is an anomaly taking place deep down within the core under Perth, and we're just going to see how it goes. I might send out to Jeff another magnetometer just so we can run it side by side, because if it is an anomaly and not just a fault with the electronics, then it's going to pick it up on both of them at the same time. And I think that's the way to eliminate the problem and make sure that it is actually an anomaly and not just an error. But you would get that sort of error if the magnetometer was being turned slightly or moved. So it is, noticeably strange. So I think it's worth further investigation. I have checked some of the other locations we've got around the world. You do sometimes get these things happen, not all the time, and it's very strange why we do get them. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. There is a problem on this website that we're using. I've noticed, it was brought to my attention by one of our superstars in Hong Kong about the dates being shifted round a bit. I don't know why that is. I don't know whether they've had to, the server that I use has changed something that has, knocked the dates and the charts around a little bit, but I have noticed a couple of duplicates on there, and it certainly hasn't been a result of me editing the page. So there's another thing we've got to look into to see why that is occurring, because obviously it's affecting the archive of the information. So yeah, that's where we are, guys. We're nearly at the end of the month, aren't we? and it's gone quick. You know, the months are like days almost, aren't they? I don't know whether that's the case for you guys, but certainly is here. You know, we've had a busy month. Sometimes, you know, it becomes really hectic when you've got 3 lots of data to process, get it up on the website. You know, we're also doing now Earth Health at a glance every week, so, you know, increasing the workload all the time. And, you know, it's great when we get a few people appreciate what we do and chuck in a few bucks to support the observatory. At the end of the day, we're trying to cover one of the rarest anomalies that is taking place, and do it at, you know, a level which is, you know, reasonably professional. And you know, the problem is with that is funding all the time. You know, not only do I build the equipment, program the equipment, and you know, encourage great people like we've got to put this equipment in the homes, you know, it all comes down to the cost of the equipment and the cost of time and stuff like that. It just is great when people do appreciate it. You know, I really wish a few more people would click the donate button on the website, you know, because we have 7,000 people view that now every week, and it'd just be great if a few more people would appreciate what we're doing on there. And you know, it'd be great also to see you know, the patrons increasing, but it is what it is, isn't it, guys? You know, I know it's difficult times for everyone at the moment with, you know, COVID-19, influenza, call it what you want. Yeah, we do the best in any case. So, you know, I'm going to leave it here, guys. As always, link down there if you want to help support what we do. You know, it'd be great to see a bit of an increase at the last furlong before the finish line of the end of the month. And the only other thing to say is, you know, you guys take it easy out there, be safe, look after your loved ones, and I'll say what I usually do. Bye for now.